So in the middle of the Christmas season, and the Maverick got caught up in a discussion with some of my junior colleagues about West Indies cricket and the difference in what is happening now compared to what obtained back in the glory days. One of the things we discussed was pace bowling, basically comparing what pace bowling is in the Caribbean now to what it used to be when the West Indies were the kings of pace and the kings of cricket, when fast bowlers used to bowl fast. We used to intimidate and dominate opponents. That was what took us to the top of world cricket and kept us there. For sure, we had some superstar batsmen, Haynes and Greenwich and Richards and Lloyd. But for my money, it was the fire and fury of the likes of Andy Roberts, Michael Holding, Malcolm Marshall and Joel Garner at them on the sign and seal up West Indies cricket greatness. It was a pleasure back in those times to go to Sabina Park and watch the West Indian pace bowlers terrorizing batsmen. It is out of that dominance that the ICC changed the rules to limit short pitch bowling, which literally took the sting out of West Indies cricket. So after that conversation with my junior colleagues, I think they now understand how hard it is for me to watch, much as to get excited with what is passing now as West Indies cricket. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.